Hi guys, Google is hiring interns for STEP program. So the start date of this program will be anywhere between May and August 2024. Duration of this program will be 10 to 12 weeks. The application deadline ends on January 19, 2024. So make sure you apply before January 19, 2024. You have options to choose preferred work locations. Here, three options are available. You can choose among Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Pune. The eligibility here will be you should be currently enrolled in any bachelor's degree in CSE or related field. So, the preferred qualifications here are you should be currently enrolled into a full-time degree program in CSE or related field. You should have excellent programming skills in C++, Java as well as Python. If you want me to suggest few standard reference books, I'll be attaching the links of best books which I feel in the description below. If you find them helpful, get those books and have them as your standard reference books. You should be able to complete your full-time internship for the duration of 10 to 12 weeks. You should be available from anywhere between May to August 2024 for full time. This program includes three main components: a software project, skill-based training, and professional development. So this summer trainee program includes a development project that you will work on with a team of Google employees and other STEP interns. You will enhance your coding skills and gain exposure to tools and programming languages. A Google engineer will be available to guide you throughout your summer internship and engage in social activity, community building, and networking. This is about the internship, and I always say internship adds huge weightage to a resume. So make sure all those undergraduates who are enrolled into CSE or related field to avail this opportunity, because taking up internships will help you to get exposure to the outside world. To apply to this internship, I'll be dropping the application link in the description below, as well as if you have any queries relating to this recruitment or any recruitment, make sure you DM us on Instagram. I'll be attaching the Instagram handles in the description below, as well as mentioned earlier, I'll be dropping the links to those books which I've mentioned in the description below. Make sure you have few standard books for your reference. Do not forget to apply for this internship before January 19, 2024. And I suggest all of you to update your resume at least once for every 1 to 2 months. In case your resume is not meeting the standards of ATS, application tracking system, you will be rejected directly by the application tracking systems. So make sure your resume is optimized. In case after applying for a particular recruitment, you are not getting any response from the team or the company which you have applied for, after 1 to 2 months, I suggest you to wait for 15 days to 1 month, because big tech companies will take 15 days to 1 month or even 2 months to complete the process. So in case after waiting for 1 to 2 months, you're not getting any response from them, then there might be chance that ATS system has rejected your resume. So that's the reason I keep on saying update your resume once in a while, once every 1 to 2 months, so that your resume will be updated and whatever the questions they'll be shooting will be from your resume. Not only about recruitment, if you have any query relating to your resume as well, you can DM us on Instagram. Share this video with all your undergraduate friends who are in need, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel for regular hiring updates.